Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Well, this is not a Gorilla Tag fan game tutorial. This is an Animal Company tutorial. How to get money very, very fast. What you'll need is a rocket, one rocket, flashlight, and if you want to get the, and also a backpack. So just put that in. You can have the thingy in. I'm gonna put mine in actually. But that's all you need. You used to need to have 2 fireworks. Kind of like fireworks, but like rockets. You used to need 2 because I was
you can have 2 if you want to be very safe.
Yeah, if you want to be like super safe, I would get 2. But to save less to like save money, I would just get 1. So you're gonna want to come down to the sewers.
We are gonna make money too. So
yeah, we're also just gonna make money. We've done this multiple times. We call this a heist. But what you're gonna want to do, make your way past the red light, green light. He can't get you past this point. You don't want to grab these because these are just a waste. Here, my friend comes. And you're gonna want to, of course, dodge these.
See these things? Get them out.
You can have them if you have like a second friend with you doing this. You're gonna want to come make your way in here.
And also, you can also just
okay. There's a bomb. You're gonna watch out for those bombs. Also a rocket.
What you want to do is you're gonna see a little punching guy. Just run past. Don't look. Just run.
He's right there. So you're just gonna want to make your way right here.
And then
when you're over here,
let's
do this.
Walk, boy.
Okay. Jump down here. And then you're gonna want to go up here, not go to the exit. You're gonna be going to that last. And you're gonna want to drop into this tunnel. Oh, I thought you didn't make it. Just run past that bomb if it's right there. Alright, I'm at the exit. You're gonna want to come right here. Let me wait for my friend. Okay. You're gonna want to drop down the whole thing. Drop, drop, drop. And until you're in the 0 gravity zone. So this is where the backpack part comes in. So it's easier if you have 2 friends, but you absolutely do not need 2 friends to do this. So here, I'll take that.
Yeah, take all the gold.
Wait.
Nuggets. I want to see how much.
Okay, so you're gonna want to keep your rocket with you, and you're want to grab every ingot you see. You're gonna have your friend collect one of those, and then there's my flashlight. And what you're gonna want to do is get out. Just get out of this cave. Do not use your firework, or you will not be able to get out. So just climb your way up. Just try to come back up. Don't worry, he'll make it. Climb. Climb. Up, up, up. I just want to use the firework, but don't use it. Don't use it. Climb. 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 And then you're up here. Did you make it? I made it.
I'm almost there.
All because of this trick.
I'm very close this way.
Okay. So just
No!
what happened?
Save myself.
Okay. Okay. I'm at the top waiting. Is that him? But let me just wait for my friend. Like skip the video. Just skip like, keep on pressing the 5 seconds thing.
I'm very close.
Okay.
Baddest part is my headset.
What? There he is.
Give me a... I said bad part is my headset's at 3%.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to make this quick. Alright. You're gonna want to make your way over here. Run! This is the part. This is the most trickiest part. Use your rocket to get over there. And then, you're gonna want to use this teleporter. You're back. And then put all of your stuff in. This should give you like so much. Like you won't believe it. No! Is all of them in there? Wait,
Hold up, when I say go!
Just have to give us like a lot.
Yeah. It would give you a lot anyway.
And
God!
and see,
Don't
look,
take it!
it gives you so much. This is so much to grind. Probably one of the fastest ways out there.
13K. Look, dude, come here.
Bro, I have 46K. I have 46K all because of this trick. Like, this is like an insane trick. And this is very good to do when your money resets.
And come here.
Basically, each update. See? He even bought that. How much is it? Oh. Oh. Like, that's a lot. Can I try it?
I just reloaded it.
Wait. Shoot me. Kill me. Bruh! Cut my life into pieces. This is my last piece. Alright, can I try?
Don't take it, okay?
Okay. I mean, your headset's about to die. Why'd you buy this?
Oh, no, because I have it on charger now.
Wait. Come on.